These are the kinds of things that designing the environment differently is helping us. But often we stop with just, we'll put a group of people together. How many of you understand the networking reception? We all do networking receptions, right? What if I told you that those are two different things? Networking is the connection, the opportunity we have to connect with each other and build career and commerce and all these other things. And reception is really a hospitality gathering. It's an opportunity for a brand to put something forward. We've all been in those receptions, those networking receptions, where there's nowhere to sit, the music's really loud, there's tons of alcohol, not very much food, it's low lighting. Sounds like a great place to connect and really extend our business relationships. And yet, that's what most are doing still at these events. We're actually finding that quiet rooms and opportunities to get off the main floor, or giving people different zones of opportunity where they can actually interact in the way that they choose. Whether that's because they just want to sit down and have a meaningful conversation, or perhaps even those that are coming into our population that are more neurodivergent as they've gotten younger. We see some of those challenges, and we need to rise to those challenges. But all of those together, the people, the location, the food and beverage that we expect are good, but the only multiplier is teaching our planners to come in with purpose. What's the outcome of that networking gathering? How can we design the kinds of outcomes that our attendees are looking for to make the kind of connections that they want to make? This is our first cost savings you can pass along to those that are complaining about our prices. They can come in and talk about retention. Remember I said the average attendee, only 30% are retained year over year of first-time attendees. That's across thousands of shows. But they tell us that if they make a meaningful connection at an event with a colleague or a vendor, etc., it jumps to 51% saying that this is the largest factor that would influence them to return.